nigga scary as fuck. Motherfucker, no, what's going on, G?
But I'll be on it always, always and better.
I'm going Scott.
Hey, Trey, come on. Trey, come on. Hey, I'll tell you what. Hey, I'll tell you what. You look good, hey, and now they over.
Go ahead, my YouTube channel. That shit ain't got to say see.
What you want, boy? What you want?
Serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell them lay low.
I know where to go beat this fucking bitch. I don't get no fuck. What up, I say? Alright, bro. I don't get no fuck, bitch. I'm fucking. Bitch, I'm fucking money. I ain't fucking there. I got some money on Scott, fat ass. Who your money on? Who your money on? Shit. This nigga hard on shoulder. You finna race these? You finna race these? Man, we gon' get it. We gon' get it. No, come on. Hang on, bud. I'm getting sleepy. Where my money? I don't know. Where was it? Hey, bud. What's that money? He bet off me. You know, fucking pussy. That's why he bet off.
It's the purpose just for motivation. Shoot out it right today, tomorrow we in
Ready? Got that break.
Put up like your mama with this switch. Why the fuck you say that? You can do it first, I'm gonna do it once. Gotta go with the payback. Never take it personal, strong on mercy. I'm talking it way back. Come took it off, I was always talking to stay home when you stay at. Keep your stash house, you can't take nothing. It's about where you lay it. Never be a bother if you walk in the park. Say that. Never run that awesome if I owe you. I got you, I pay that. Shit my awesome when I'm old. I can shit the playback. Really turn them out. So the trick is what I can say. I'm just trying to buy this. $100 million.
You want to race my 4-wheeler, but you want to bet again. Get that slow dirt bike here. Right fucking now, nigga. Get that dirt bike out here. You got that. Come on, I got that dirt bike. Get that dirt bike out here. He ain't got shit. You might well park that motherfucker. Why I sit up, that motherfucking nephew. Why I sit up there and let y'all make an ass out of him? You got me fucked up. Y'all ain't playing with no goddamn hypocrite in that family. He got the brakes, bro. You never got the brakes. I don't know what he got. He coming y'all make what time he say.
That's the genius idiot. I love it.
These days, I'm letting God handle all this above.
Give me somebody phone. Give me somebody phone.
Things I can't change it, the reason you
What's car one then? What's car one? Huh? Who ain't one?
Ain't nobody say ain't nobody want shit.
What you want? What you want? What you want? You want that boy on that motherfucker right now? You want that boy on that motherfucker right now?
With your own bike.
I tell you what, you give me 2 and we'll run for pose right now. All right then, stop talking. Come on, you want right now? Hands up, hands up, hands up. Come on, hands up. Hey. Hands the fuck up. Hands up. I don't give a damn.
Fuck that TRS, boy. I told y'all that.
Hey, if it ain't can now, bitch, you ain't got shit. You hear me?
Talk like that bitch wanna go hawk his ass. What's that, bro?
Yo, that way.
Ah!
Oh.
Hit the game for him.
Oh, Let me see it, dog.
Ain't nobody else gonna do it but the BSC way from that BSC way. They know
I'm gonna go away from drive.
Hey, make sure you bring y'all bad kids. BSC Chuck Tree on 214 Bill Street, Zion Road.
Yo, that way, cause we gonna get that candy to the kid.
I like that we out.
Trying to, man. You said the brake. Get that bitch out there. Get that motherfucker. You ain't got one in shit. You got the brake.
I mean the brake.
Get your ass out there.
Oh my God, now you talking about big red ass. Man, we gon' spit, we I'ma nut on this bitch. I'm nut on this bitch. I'm gonna beat my meat on that hoe. I said you can't even ride it bike. I talked to him today. I'm beat my meat on that hoe. He said you can't ride it bike. I'm beat my meat on that hoe.
You think I'll get $2 top me? Now you fucked up.
That man
what? I meant that you came in my lane.
I didn't come in your line.
I meant that you
I
came.
was right here. Look at my feet.
You came in my fucking lane.
Why you think I said I thought you
Fuck no. Fuck no. We can run it back for that same.
That's what I'm saying.
For that same.
What you mean the same? Okay.